Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the Supreme Skull Pile Glow in the Dark skateboard deck. So let me give you guys a little story about what happened to my orders from last time that I posted a video. I purchased two of the skateboard deck, and they sent me an email saying that both of them were gonna ship in the same package and with the one tracking number. So last time I did an unbox video for this one, and then it turns out that they only ship one, and so is on my other orders. So I'm still waiting for my shoulder bag, and it's supposed to be delivered today, so we'll see. So anyway, this is the illegal business that I did unbox last time. Oops. So illegal business control America. This is the red deck. So I figured to let you guys know what happened to my order, because last week I had to shoot them an email, and lucky one of the representative, her name was Maggie, and she sent the email back saying that my order was gonna ship in a separate shipment because of the overwhelming of orders that they have, because when they first dropped week number 1 for the Supreme, they have a huge massive drop, so a lot of people were ordering left and right. So I guess this time it takes about almost 2 weeks or more in order to receive my products or the items. So let's go ahead and get the unbox for that deck. So this one is the skull pile. Hopefully they get my orders correct without any problems. So basically it's the same box that I got, which is they got thinner to save some shipment, because last time I ordered some of the deck. It came with the bigger one. Ooh, nice. So as you can see, the skull pile with the eyes, and there's a Supreme box logo sticker. So this one, it says 2001 liquid blue. And then there's your Supreme, the tiny Supreme right there with the register logo on there. And then you have the world famous. So I like the back. This has a big lettering saying the Supreme. So the holes for the trucks is not punched through. I'm not sure why. And they probably painted over, so the paint is still there. and then so is the bottom. This there's a hole right there. Supposed to have a hole, and then right there, here and here, and then there's just a print right there again. So anyway, I hope you guys like this unboxing videos, and hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and turn on that bell for notification. Please drop any of the positive feedbacks or comments. All right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace out, guys.